Welcome to Animal Realm, where we explore the fascinating world of wildlife and delve into the mysteries of nature. In today's episode, we're venturing into the majestic world of big cats with a special focus on two of the most magnificent tigers on the planet: the Siberian tiger and the Bengal tiger. These iconic species are not only a symbol of wild beauty and power but also play crucial roles in their respective ecosystems. Today, we'll compare these two titans of the tiger world. We'll look at their size, weight, lifespan, population numbers, geographic habitats, and hunting techniques. Each of these aspects sheds light on their unique adaptations and survival strategies. Our goal is to deepen your understanding of these incredible creatures and highlight the importance of their conservation. So, stay tuned as we bring you closer to the lives of the Siberian and Bengal tigers, exploring their similarities and differences in a journey through the wild. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more wildlife insights and hit the bell icon to get notified about our latest videos. Now, let's dive into the realm of the Siberian and Bengal tigers. Siberian Tiger Overview. The Siberian tiger, also known as the Amur tiger, is the largest of all wild cats and primarily found in the cold, harsh landscapes of eastern Russia, with smaller populations in China and North Korea. These tigers are known for their thick fur coats, which help them survive the frigid climates of their habitat. The fur of a Siberian tiger is paler and has fewer stripes compared to other tiger subspecies, adaptations that blend perfectly with the snowy environment. Historically, Siberian tigers roamed vast areas across Russia and Asia, but their numbers dwindled drastically due to poaching and habitat loss. Conservation efforts in the past few decades have focused on protecting their remaining habitat and curbing illegal hunting, resulting in a slight recovery of their population. Today, they are a potent symbol of the wilderness of the Russian Far East, and their presence is crucial for maintaining the ecological balance in their habitat. Bengal Tiger Overview. The Bengal tiger, on the other hand, inhabits the lush forests and grasslands of India, Bangladesh, Nepal, and Bhutan. Recognizable by their vibrant orange coats with dense black stripes, Bengal tigers are among the most iconic and culturally significant animals in the Indian subcontinent. They are slightly smaller than their Siberian counterparts but are equally formidable as apex predators in their environments. Bengal tigers play a vital role in the health and diversity of their ecosystems. They help control populations of other species, which maintains a balance in the food chain and ensures the stability of their habitats. Like Siberian tigers, Bengal tigers have faced severe threats from habitat destruction and poaching. However, extensive conservation programs, including India's Project Tiger, have helped stabilize some populations, though they remain listed as endangered. Both the Siberian and Bengal tigers are apex predators, top of the food chain, and vital for the health of their respective ecosystems. Their continued survival depends on concerted international conservation efforts, habitat protection, and measures to prevent poaching. Their story is one of resilience and the ongoing struggle for survival in the modern world. Moving on in our comparison between the Siberian and Bengal tigers, let's focus on their size, an essential aspect that reflects their adaptations to different environments. Siberian tiger size. The Siberian tiger, the largest of all tiger subspecies, boasts an impressive size. Male Siberian tigers can measure up to 10 feet in length from nose to tail, and stand about 3 feet high at the shoulder. Females are slightly smaller, typically measuring around 8.5 feet in length. The large size of Siberian tigers is an adaptation to their cold environment. Their robust bodies help them conserve heat and navigate through deep snow during the harsh winters. Bengal tiger size. The Bengal tiger, while not as large as the Siberian, is still a formidable size. Males typically reach about 9 to 10 feet in length and stand around 3 feet tall at the shoulders, making them slightly shorter and less heavy than their Siberian counterparts. Females are smaller, with an average length of about 8 feet. The size of Bengal tigers allows them to move quickly and stealthily through dense jungles and tall grasses, ideal for ambushing prey in their more tropical environments. The difference in size between the Siberian and Bengal tigers can largely be attributed to the Bergmann's rule, which suggests that animal size tends to increase in colder climates. This rule helps explain why the Siberian tiger, living in the harsh, cold climate of the Russian Far East, is larger and bulkier compared to the Bengal tiger, which inhabits the warmer and more humid regions of the Indian subcontinent. In conclusion, while both tigers are among the largest and most powerful felines in the world, the Siberian tiger's larger, more robust body suits the demands of its cold, rugged environment, whereas the slightly smaller size of the Bengal tiger is perfectly adapted to the dense forests and grasslands of South Asia. This difference in size not only impacts how each species hunts but also how they interact with their respective ecosystems. As we delve further into the comparison between the Siberian and Bengal tigers, let's examine another critical aspect: their weight. The weight of a tiger can tell us much about its hunting strategies, health, and the ecosystem it thrives in. Siberian tigers are not only the largest tiger subspecies in terms of length but also in weight. An adult male Siberian tiger can weigh between 400 to 700 pounds, with some exceptional individuals even reaching up to 800 pounds. Females are generally lighter, weighing between 200 to 370 pounds. The substantial weight of Siberian tigers is an adaptation that supports their role as a top predator in the challenging and sparse landscapes of the Siberian wilderness, where they need significant muscle mass and strength to take down large prey like wild boars and deer. In comparison, Bengal tigers are slightly lighter, though they are still massive and powerful animals. Male Bengal tigers typically weigh between 440 to 570 pounds, with females weighing less, around 220 to 350 pounds. The Bengal tiger's weight enables agility and speed, crucial for ambushing prey in the dense forests and grassy areas where they hunt. The somewhat lower weight compared to the Siberian tiger reflects the different types of prey and hunting strategies employed in the warmer, more vegetative environments of the Indian subcontinent. While both subspecies are formidable, the difference in their weight reflects their adaptations to their respective environments. The heavier Siberian tiger needs more body mass to conserve heat and sustain itself on the larger, less frequent prey available in its colder, more challenging habitat. On the other hand, the slightly lighter Bengal tiger benefits from increased agility and speed, necessary for stalking and ambushing in the dense, diverse ecosystems of South Asia. Siberian tiger lifespan. Siberian tigers, living in the harsh and demanding environments of the Russian Far East, typically have a lifespan that varies significantly depending on whether they are in the wild or in captivity. In the wild, the average lifespan of a Siberian tiger is about 10 to 15 years. The challenges they face, such as harsh climates, scarcity of prey, and human-wildlife conflicts, notably influence their longevity. However, in captivity, where they are safeguarded from predators, receive regular meals, and medical care, Siberian tigers can live up to 20 to 25 years. These controlled environments eliminate many of the survival challenges they face in the wild, significantly extending their lifespan. Bengal tiger lifespan. Bengal tigers, residing in the warmer and more biodiverse regions of India, Bangladesh, Nepal, and Bhutan, show similar trends in their lifespan to their Siberian counterparts. In the wild, Bengal tigers generally live for about 10 to 15 years. Factors such as competition for territory, human encroachment, and availability of prey impact their natural lifespan. Like the Siberian tigers, Bengal tigers in zoos or wildlife sanctuaries can expect to live longer, typically around 16 to 20 years, due to the absence of predation and consistent access to healthcare and nutrition. The lifespan of both Siberian and Bengal tigers is quite similar, reflecting the general biological and environmental challenges faced by large predators. The main takeaway is that while these tigers can live somewhat longer in captivity due to the lack of natural predators and consistent care, their lifespans in the wild are often cut short by human-related factors and environmental challenges. Conservation efforts that focus on habitat preservation, reducing human-wildlife conflict, and ensuring adequate prey availability are crucial to extending the natural lifespan of these magnificent animals in their native habitats. Siberian tiger hunting techniques. Siberian tigers are solitary hunters, primarily active during the night or twilight hours, leveraging their acute senses to track prey. Their hunting technique is largely influenced by the sparse prey availability in their cold, forested environments. They typically cover large territories to find food, which can include deer, wild boar, and even bears. The hunting strategy of a Siberian tiger involves stealthily stalking its prey through the thick snow or dense underbrush, getting as close as possible before launching a powerful and swift attack. Once in range, they use their massive strength and sharp claws to knock down the prey, usually targeting the neck for a quick kill. The ability to store large quantities of food is crucial, as a single kill must often last several days. Bengal tiger hunting techniques. The Bengal tiger, residing in the more populous and diverse ecosystems of the Indian subcontinent, also adopts a solitary and primarily nocturnal hunting approach. However, the strategies differ slightly due to the denser, more varied terrain and higher prey density. Bengal tigers frequently hunt chatal deer, wild boar, and occasionally larger animals like gaur. Their approach involves using the dense vegetation and tall grasses to their advantage, slowly and quietly stalking their prey until they are close enough to launch a surprise attack. Bengal tigers aim for the neck or throat of their prey, using their powerful jaws to deliver a fatal bite. Their ability to move silently and blend into the surroundings makes them formidable ambush predators. Both Siberian and Bengal tigers demonstrate apex predatory behavior adapted to their environments. The key difference lies in their approach to overcoming the challenges posed by their respective habitats. The Siberian tiger's technique is adapted for less frequent but larger prey, requiring endurance and strength to traverse large distances in harsh conditions. In contrast, the Bengal tiger's method capitalizes on the abundance of prey and the need for stealth in densely vegetated areas, requiring agility and precise timing. Both strategies showcase the incredible adaptability of tigers as species and underline the importance of preserving their natural habitats to maintain these essential ecological dynamics. These hunting behaviors not only reflect the physical and instinctual capabilities of each tiger subspecies but also highlight the intricate balance of ecosystems where these majestic cats play a crucial role as top predators. In our detailed comparison of the Siberian and Bengal tigers, understanding their behavioral characteristics offers key insights into their survival strategies, social structures, and interactions with their environments. Each subspecies exhibits unique behaviors that are adapted to their specific habitats. Siberian tiger behavioral characteristics. Siberian tigers are renowned for their resilience and adaptability to the harsh climate of the Russian Far East. They are predominantly solitary animals, coming together only for mating purposes or occasionally sharing large kills. Their territories are vast, often spanning hundreds of square kilometers, as they need large areas to hunt and find mates. Communication among Siberian tigers is mainly through scent markings and vocalizations, which help in establishing territories and avoiding unwanted encounters. Their behavior during the harsh winter months is particularly noteworthy. They exhibit remarkable endurance and can travel great distances in search of food, reflecting their capability to adapt to one of the most challenging environments on Earth. Bengal tiger behavioral characteristics. Bengal tigers, living in the more temperate and diverse ecosystems of the Indian subcontinent, display a slightly different set of behaviors. Like their Siberian counterparts, they are also solitary and highly territorial but tend to have smaller range sizes due to the higher density of prey available in their habitats. Bengal tigers are adept swimmers, often found cooling off in ponds and streams, and they use water bodies not only for hydration but also as strategic points for hunting. The social behavior of Bengal tigers involves more frequent interactions due to the overlapping of territories, especially in regions where habitat fragmentation has occurred. Vocalizations, scent markings, and visual signals are crucial for communication, particularly during the mating season and when mothers are raising their cubs. While both the Siberian and Bengal tigers share common traits like territoriality, solitary nature, and similar modes of communication, the differences in their behaviors are shaped by the demands of their environments. The Siberian tiger's behavior is influenced by the need to navigate and survive in a sparse and cold habitat, leading to larger territories and greater physical endurance. In contrast, the Bengal tiger's behavior is adapted to a more resource-rich environment, requiring proficiency in stealth and the use of water bodies for survival and hunting. These behavioral adaptations are essential for their survival and success as apex predators in their respective ecosystems. Understanding these behaviors is crucial for conservation efforts, as it helps in designing effective strategies to mitigate human-wildlife conflicts and ensure the preservation of their natural habitats. Siberian tiger conservation efforts. The conservation of Siberian tigers, also known as Amur tigers, has been a priority due to their critically low numbers in the wild. The primary strategies include habitat preservation, anti-poaching measures, and legal protection. Significant parts of their habitat in the Russian Far East have been designated as protected areas, helping to safeguard their natural environment and reduce human-tiger conflicts. Anti-poaching units have been established, which work tirelessly to curb the illegal hunting of tigers and their prey species. Additionally, international cooperation between Russia, China, and other nations is crucial in managing cross-border conservation issues. These efforts are supported by various international wildlife organizations and local communities, aiming to create a sustainable environment where Siberian tigers can thrive. Bengal tiger conservation efforts. Conservation initiatives for Bengal tigers are robust, particularly in India, where the largest population of this subspecies resides. Project Tiger, launched by the Indian government in 1973, has been instrumental in increasing tiger populations through habitat restoration, protection measures, and the establishment of numerous tiger reserves. Efforts in Bangladesh, Nepal, and Bhutan also contribute to the protection of Bengal tigers through similar national parks and reserves. Educational programs and community involvement are critical components of these conservation efforts, as they help raise awareness and support for tiger conservation. Anti-poaching laws and enhanced monitoring techniques, including the use of camera traps and satellite tracking, help enforce these measures effectively. While both the Siberian and Bengal tigers are endangered, the strategies employed in their conservation differ based on the specific environmental and socio-economic challenges they face. The conservation of the Siberian tiger focuses heavily on combating the severe climatic challenges and sparse human population in its habitat, requiring extensive international collaboration for effective management. On the other hand, Bengal tiger conservation deals more with issues of habitat fragmentation and higher human density, necessitating focused efforts on community involvement and conflict mitigation. These efforts are vital not only for the survival of these majestic creatures but also for the preservation of the biodiversity of their respective ecosystems. Continuing these efforts and increasing global awareness and support are essential for the long-term sustainability of tiger populations. As we conclude our in-depth comparison of the Siberian and Bengal tigers, it's essential to reflect on the key insights we've gathered and the broader implications of our understanding of these magnificent animals. Siberian tiger conclusion. The Siberian tiger, a symbol of the wild expanse of Russia's Far East, has shown us the remarkable resilience required to survive in one of the harshest environments on Earth. Despite their challenging living conditions and the brink of extinction they once faced, concerted conservation efforts have begun to yield positive results, stabilizing their population. The future of the Siberian tiger hinges on continued international cooperation, rigorous anti-poaching measures, and sustained efforts to protect and expand their natural habitat. The conservation of this tiger species is not just about saving an iconic animal but also about preserving the ecological balance of their habitat, which supports a diverse range of species and natural processes. Bengal tiger conclusion. The Bengal tiger, roaming the forests and grasslands of the Indian subcontinent, serves as a crucial keystone species, maintaining the stability and diversity of its ecosystem. The efforts through Project Tiger and other conservation initiatives across its range have showcased the power of targeted government policies and community engagement in wildlife conservation. The increase in their numbers is a testament to the effectiveness of these measures, but ongoing challenges such as habitat loss and human-wildlife conflict continue to pose threats. The survival of the Bengal tiger depends on our ability to integrate conservation with sustainable development, ensuring that both human and tiger populations can coexist and thrive. Both the Siberian and Bengal tigers are not merely animals, they are symbols of the wild and indicators of the health of their respective ecosystems. Preserving these tigers means preserving vast landscapes and countless other species that define the ecological character of these areas. Every effort made towards their conservation is a step towards maintaining the biodiversity of our planet. Continued education, awareness, and global support are imperative to ensure that future generations will also be able to witness the majesty of these tigers in the wild. As we move forward, let us carry the responsibility to support and enhance these efforts, ensuring that the tiger continues to roam the wilderness, free and wild.